Am I audible? Why you are talking? Stand up. No. Doubt? Stand up. Why are you talking? Class started now. Doubt? You have doubt? Why to talk then? Don't fold the hands. Stand normally. Don't talk when I am in the class. Okay? Sit down. Now I'll move to the further. So here, previous class, we started with set and predefined functions. We started with. Okay? Come in. Data types. Set data type. Set concept is completed. Concept is completed. Types of sets. Sets never allows indexing and slicing operations. Set belongs to both immutable as well as mutable. And there I said different examples. I said how to create an empty set. I said set of and non-empty set. And this type of just curly braces is which type? A dict type they are. Now it's a time to see to move forward, which I just initiated in the class, but I did not discuss. Now I want to discuss in detail. Let us go to the concept called predefined functions in set. So let's start the discussion here. Very, very easy. So on the object of set, we can't perform indexing and slicing operation, but we perform different operations by using predefined functions which are present in where? Set. So one simple sentence I will write it and I'll move forward. So coming to the point back, we know that on the object of set, on the object of set, we can't perform what operations? Indexing and slicing operations. Indexing and slicing operations. Indexing and slicing operations. And to perform various operations, that operation names I am not writing. These are all comes under different operations on sets only. To perform various operations, we use the predefined functions. We use the predefined functions present in where? Set object. So they are one by one. I will start discussing now. One by one, we'll start discussing now. So let's start with the first function here. What is the first function? Add. I'll go for that. Start discussing about add. So first few functions are very easy, not a difficult for you. Let us start understanding that add. Go to the Python environment, students. Go to the Python environment. Here, we'll go for like this. Try to look into this. I'll say S1 is equal to 10, some RS, some 23.45. This is called the set. Set print of S1, comma ID of S1. I'm just taking like that. This is my given data. See, sometimes it is coming in the same order. It is coming in the same order. We can't say that always it comes in different order. Every time it will be coming in same order or different order. We cannot predict it. Now I want to add the data to that. We want to add the data. How to add the data? S1 dot append is not there, students. Remember, append is always adding the data at the last. So we cannot go for giving the confirmation that always adding the data at the last. It's not there. So even if you type it, S1 dot append of 100, you will get not found, you will get it. Set object has no attribute called what? Append, which is called attribute error. So you cannot find out that. So this is my S1 and add the data now. How to add the data? S1 dot add of Netherlands. I just wrote Netherlands. Just it is added to S1, but it can't say that at which location it will add. You can't say that where it is adding, beginning, last, middle. You can't say where it is adding, but it will add. Where it will add? At the same address to the S1. See that Netherlands it added in some place. What is this address? So it is what? Mutable. Mutable. S1 dot add of something true. I am writing true. I am writing true here. When I write S1 dot true, print of this S1, true is also added. True is also added. And the values are changing. S1 dot what next? Add of something like, something like some 200 I am adding. 200 I am adding. And don't think that it is adding in the beginning. 200 is added in somewhere. At which address? So this is comes under what? Add function. So what is the syntax, students? Tell me what is the syntax? Set obj dot add of value. Add of value. Add of value. There I am writing. This function is used for adding the value, to the set object. Adding the value to the set object. So don't take much time. Simple. Certain things are simple, students. You try to get quickly. This is a data. This is an S1 here. Got it. This is also called like this. S1 of this data. Got it. This value also got it. Got it. Now done. Are you following me? This is a value we got it. Next I'm going to enter into S1 dot add of. We got something like this. Now I'm going to take, if you want, you can take it like this also. S2 is equal to set of. Print of what? S2 comma type of S2, which is going to be set. If we ID also, I will print it, ID of S2. So it is going to be like this. Now I want to add the data. How to add the data? Dot add of 100. S2 students, not S1. S2 dot add of what? 100. S2 dot add of what, 10.45. And S2 dot what, some 2 plus 3j, something like. So print S2 students once again, S2. So it is added, right? It is added. At which address? Same address. That indicates you can add the data to the empty set also. You can add the data to the empty set also. So, Visharani, voice is breaking. Seema, voice is clear because I'm getting from my side. Myself only will get problem when it is having problem. So please check it your side once more. Is it breaking for other students? Is it breaking for others? Little breaking on. So break out in voice. Now here S1 dot here S2 dot, this is a data. Now this is adding the data to what? Empty set. Adding the data to empty set. Beginning it is called what? Set. Empty set it is. Later it is going to be adding something like this. Now adding the data to which one this is? Set. By using which function? Add function. So coming to the next second function I am going to take. Add function is gone. Next is what? Clear. So students in online, is it okay now? Is it clear for everybody now? Is it okay? Fine. So let us move to the further. Usharani. Now, let us move to the clear function now. Simple. All of you answer this question now. What it will do? It will remove all the elements. Lazy answers. Totally lazy guys. International batch. What clear will do? That is an answer. That is a required answer. What is clear? It will clear the clear. This is called lazy answers. You are waste when you say like that. Keep in mind. S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, like that 30, 40, 50, 60. This is my given data. Print of S1, ID of S1. It won't allow duplicates. We can't say that which order they are going to come. It is going to be the set like that. Now I want to find out len of S1. It is going to give what? 6. Now I will say S1 dot what? Clear. It will remove all the elements. Right? Print that S1 here, students. Now I'm going to get it empty set. And at which address? Same address. len of S1 is going to give you what? 0. Capital S. Small s I need to use. Small s1. So what is the length? 0. Okay. Well, now I want to ask you one small question. One beautiful question I will ask you. At the end of everything, I will ask one prestigious question. That is a competitive question. You need to answer it. Clear off. So there I will say this function, these are all these things you have seen already, is used for removing all the elements of what? Set object. All the element of set object. Now I'll go for the example. I'll go for the examples here. So here I'm going to write it. Set of, this is my given data. len of S1, this is the values available. Clear off. So not this part. Okay. This is a data. Empty set is coming. len of S1 is something wrongly typed. S1 is here. Now I'm asking a question. Answer it carefully. Now you see that S1 is what? Print of S1. It is what? S1 dot clear off. S1 dot clear off. Answer. Value error. Option B 0. Option C space or none. Space or none. Option D type error. Come on. Space or none. Are you applying over smart or subject? Come on. Subject ati తెలివే? Over intelligence or subject? Already I said the same word with list. List related time I said clear. Huh? 0. Good. Who said 0? Good. That is the first blunder. This is the correct answer. Space or none is the correct answer. Why you change it to 0, I don't know. So, space or none. List time also when I was cleared, you got what? None only. Same thing you need to apply. This is a space. When I print it, print off like this, you will get what? None. Got it? Now, the question will come in the interview is like this. Set off dot clear off. Clear off. Like this, the question will come. What is an answer? None. Space ila rasa space madhubavulu. Again I am saying, when you write without print, it is a space. When you write like that, it is going to be what? None. Here also empty is set dot what? Clear. What is an answer? None. So this part I want to go for it. So continuity of this. Clear I said. This is going to give you what? No answer, just a space. Or I can say this way, calling this value, giving like this. Another way, I'm going to call this way also. These are the very important examples to be carried forwarded. So done, students? Are you able to follow? Done. Now I'm going to write that sentence here, because last sentence always, when we call this function, when we call this function, when we call this function on empty set object, then we get empty set object. Then we get what? Space or none. None as what? Result. This is a point. Are you getting me? Yes. So coming to the point back, when we call this function on empty set object, we get what? Space or none as result. Okay now? Well, go to the place. That is what function it is? Clear function. Next function I am going to apply. Next function. What is the next function? Remove. Be careful, students. Remove function. Third function is remove off. Remove off. See, students, as I said yesterday, tomorrow class is there or not? Tomorrow class. Tomorrow class. I said offline or online? Offline or online? Hmm? Offline, I said. I said, right. So I did not say offline or online. Actually, I also want to take offline only without disturbing you. But tomorrow some work is going on in the cellar. I'm talking about offline students now. So actually, I want to come to offline. Online students don't have any problem because they are in online only always. So tomorrow, because of lot of sound is some repairing work is going on in this building. Tomorrow, I will take purely online. Purely online. So purely online, I will take it. You will be all of you attending online only. I will give the link today in the Google Drive class. The moment I keep the class, I'll give the link tomorrow. On that link, you join only for tomorrow. Okay, now. Are you following? So, need not to feel that sorry is not there in front of me, not like that. Feel psychological that sorry is there in front of me. If you are a serious student. So, don't move around the home, this side, that side. Don't move like that by listening the class. You be sit at one side, open the notes, how you are sitting in the class, like that you sit. Try to feel serious about it. So, timing is same at 6:10 at 6:10 p.m. 6:10 p.m. Sharp is it is there in our dictionary only. That is our dictionary. That is our dictadata type. So morning I have 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Tomorrow, Sunday, only in the room only. So not room, moving anywhere else. So only with Python. Okay, now students. So don't move. Tomorrow important session. We'll continue this concept only. So now I'll go forward. Remove. Once again, I am saying tomorrow there is a class at what? 6:10. Sunday. Purely what? Online. So by mistake, don't come here. Because our mind is not there in the mind place. Our mind is there in the knee. Don't know. Okay. So shall I continue now? Move to the further. Now I'll go to the next function. Next function, remove function. Look at. What is the use of remove function? Already you have done it. Set object dot, set obj dot, syntax. Syntax is set obj dot, come on. Remove of value. Remove of what? Value. Good. Now students, I'm going to use example here. Take the example like this. Take the example like this. Take one set object. Take one set object. True. And a 2 plus 3 day. Something like, Netherlands. Like this you take it. This is my given data. Print of what? S1. Print of what? S1. And ID of S1. ID of S1. This is my given data. Okay. S1 dot remove of NL. NL. Do you have NL in S1? Yes. That will be removed. That will be removed. Print of S1. NL removed or not? At which address? So NL is what? S1 is what? Mutable. Deleting case, adding time. These are all called what? Mutable. Next. S1 dot. Next what? Remove of true. I am saying true. What it is going to be? Also removed. This is known as what? True is removed. Removed or not? At which address? Same address. Same address. S1 dot remove of what? RS. RS. I am saying also removed. Yeah. Some codes problem. So RS removed. Print of this S1 also removed. Are you following me? Good. Now I'm going to take up same address only mutable. S1 dot remove of some 100 or 1000. What will be the answer? Come on. So option A value error, option B type error, option C key error, option D index error. Come on. Value error. That is a wrong answer. Key error is a correct answer. Key error is a correct answer. If boy is saying key error, I will ask reason. But girl said, no, I don't ask reason for that. So the reason is, answer is called key error. Reason is, all the elements of sets are what? Unique. All the elements of set are unique. Unique elements are called what? Keys. Account numbers in the bank are what? Unique. They are called what? Keys. So this 100, you are removing with which object? S1. S1 elements are what? Key. Such kind of 100,000 is not there in where? So it is called which error? Key error. If I call the same thing with list, what error? Value error. Why value error? List allows duplicates. Duplicate values are called what? Values. Unique values are what? Do you have such key in S1? So it is called which error? Key error. Are you getting this, students? Key error. Did you understand the meaning of this remove? Yes. Go to that. Now I'm going to say this function is used for removing 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 the value, removing the specified value from which object? Set object. Removing the specified value from where? Set object. Right. If the specified value does not exist in, if the specified value not existing in set object, if the specified value, if the specified value does not exist, does not exist, specified value does not exist in set object, then we get what error, students? Key error. Because elements of key are called, because elements of set are called what? Elements of set are unique, and they are called keys. And they are called keys. Are you following me? That's why that error is called what error? Key error. One more line I will write it. Of course, you will understand that. Say I will write it. Carry the example. Carry that example, students. Now I'll ask one question also. You need to answer it. What is the question which is coming across in possibilities? So this is the S1 data. This is the S2 data. Having like this. I'm going to enter into this place. Remove of it. Going to this data. S1 dot this is a value. Getting like this. Key error is going to come. Are you getting me? Now, be careful. Now I'm asking one question. Set of dot remove of 10. What is the answer? What is this first of all? Empty set. Dot what? Remove. Do you have 10 in set? What error? Key error. List of dot what? Remove of what? 10. What is that error? Yes, very, very important. So be careful what question is asking, how we need to answer it. So this is called key error. For your understanding, if you want, I will put this also for your better clarity in differentiation. Okay. So here, this part is going to be available here. So now I'm going to write it like this. Are you following me? This is about set of remove of this one like this. Value error, key error, are you differentiating? Duplicates are called value error. Unique are called what? Key error. Okay, perfect. Now I'll move to the next function. Is the remove function clear? Clarity is there? Now I will go to the another function is completed. Discard function, I will take it. Actually, discard function, remove function are one and the same, but there is a slight difference is there that you need to get it. Especially that is coming in the MCQs level. That's why I want to address it. Syntax. Syntax simple. Set obj dot discard of value. Discard of value. Discard of value I am going to take it. So I'm saying the same to same I am going to say. This function is used for removing the specified value from the set object as it is same. But the point to remember is if the if the specified value does not exist in the set object, then we never get any key error. Then we get we get space or what? None as result, but not what? Key error. This is what people will expect from you. What is the difference between discard and remove? Remove will give you which error? Discard will not give which error? Key error. Let me go to the example. Both of them are same. If you ask me the difference, only the error difference you can note it. Go to the place. Here I am going to write it. This is my given data. It is my given data. Here I am going to take up. You say D1. S1 dot discard of what? Say 10. 10 is removed. Print of that S1. 10 is gone. S1 dot discard of. S1 dot discard of RS or something like NL. I will write NL. I wrote it NL. NL also gone. Same thing. I will write a discard of what 100. I will write it. Do you have 100 here? What error? Space. Space will come. No error will come. S1 dot remove of what? 100. What is that now? Key error. Are you understanding the difference? Yes. One last and final. Dot what? Discard. What is the answer? None. If you want, you can print none like this. What is that now? Discard of, set off like this. So discard of value you need to pass. I did not mention the value. Are you following? None. Here I did not mention. I did not mention the value. Are you following me? Yes. So coming to the point back, here I am going to take up. So here I will carry this example. Follow me. It is an S1 here. Online students. So coming to this place, got it. Remove of this. Error is coming. Here, what is the result? Space. Here, what is the error? What is the error? Key error. Key error is coming. This is going to be what? None is a result is coming. I hope discard is clear. The difference between discard and remove? Remove will give you the key error. Discard will give you space. I hope you are following. Well, go to that. Up to that, it is very clear. Even easy also, no issue. Then the things will come into picture. Now I'm going to talk about the pop. Pop I'm going to discuss. At the same time, I will discuss about the del operator also. You must be active in understanding that part. Yesterday, one or two students asked in the online, pop function will remove what in list based on index. But index is not there in where? Set. Why? Why index is not there in the set? Because we don't know in which order they are going to display. That's why there is no index. Now, students, very, very important. And this was coming at least 2 to 3 times, which I watched that question in the MCQs papers. And in FAQs level also, when you sit in front of the interviewer, this question is coming. Python questions are so peculiar, students. Most of the people will be gone in written test only when you are appearing for test writing, because they will ask some difficult questions. What you are expecting, what generally people are expecting outside about the Python written test is completely different when you go to the test. You cannot get it. ABCD is okay. By luck is good, you will be matching that. But person like me giving fill in the blanks, that time, what you will do? What you will do? You cannot write your own extra knowledge in that fill in the blank. You have to write original knowledge only. Understand? So that's why be careful in doing this thing. Set obj dot pop I am writing. You only see, once you are getting Python subject slowly, if you read well, automatically that knowledge will come. Tell me, I will test you whether you are getting set elements are displaying randomly. When you say pop, what is the use of pop function generally? Remove. Which element? Last element is called what? List. List lo last element. In list, last element. When I say index here, you will get what error now? Index is not maintaining now. When I mention index, what is the error? You will not get you will get subscriptable error will be coming. Last class I shown you. And such a type of index mentioning is not there at all in Python. Why? There is no question of index in set. Now here you have to tell, if you are sincere and more reading the data, when you are going to use a pop function, the data pop function will remove any arbitrary element. Any arbitrary element. Where I will use in my application development, suppose you are going for an application development or you are going for writing online test. In my company, I have some 1,000 questions are there and you are going to write the online test. What I will get it, what questions I will give you? What questions I will give you? I will, from my question bank, which question I will take out? One question I will remove and I will give you. One question I will remove, I will give you. One question I will remove, I will give you. Which type of question I will take it and give you? Random question. Why I am removing and giving? Not to repeat the same question. When I pick up the question, that should be removed and sending. Pick up the question and sending. Until what? 50 questions are completed. Are you getting my point? Why I am removing and giving? If I don't remove, there is a chance of selecting the same question once again. That's why I will go for what? Pop off. So pop off function is used for removing any arbitrary element. So go to the place. I'll show you the answer. Go to the place. Now I am saying S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 12 and 45 like this. Now you say S1 dot pop off. Which element is removed? Any element, any one of the element will be removed. Dear students, no more confusion. In the case of list time, L1 dot pop off, it removes what element? Last element. L1 dot pop off what? L1 dot pop off 2, it will remove second indexed value, because the list maintains what? Indexing and slicing. In the case of set, there is no such type of index passing. Index passing is not there at all. L1 dot pop off, I am writing there what? Nothing I am writing. What pop function will do? Pop function will remove any arbitrary element from S1. Any arbitrary element from S1. So see that S1 dot, you can't decide which element is going to remove. Next, S1 dot pop. See, it is removing and returning, removing and returning. S1 dot pop. What is the element is coming? 40. You did not expect it. S1 dot pop 10. Next, S1 dot 12. S1 dot pop 45. S1 dot pop 80. S1 dot pop 50. S1 dot pop 60. What are removed? 70 gone. 40. 10, 20, 30, 10 gone, 45, 80, 50, 20, 60. What are left out? Come on, 30. Anything remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements gone now? 3, 6. Okay. Now, that means what is the set? Print of what? S1. What is it? Now, this question is asking in interview. What is an answer? Apply your intelligence. Are you intelligent? So, good. None. Option A. Option B, value error. Option C, key error. Option D, type error. Come on. Option E, silence. వీళ్ళు చాలా డేంజర్ వీళ్ళు. These people are very danger people. These are. Come on, answer my question. Come on. None. Good. Who said this? None. Please raise the hands. Good. Good. Wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. Extra apply there. You are applying extra knowledge. Actually, a value error. Correct. Who is that? Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Key error is the correct answer. You are having smartness is there. Suppose if I ask you fill in the blank, what you will answer? That's why subject is important. Actually, multiple choice who invented, I don't know. Actually, multiple choice questions should not be given. Actually, you don't know the answer, correct? When I give A, B, C, D, you are understanding. You are saying that because you know off subject. In off subject, you are applying, you are getting. See how companies are helping you. Still, people are not selecting. That means what is their subject standards you observe? Why? Suppose if I am there, my star said S1 contains which values? Unique values. Unique values are what? Keys. What pop will do? Remove the key. Such keys are not there in where? What is an answer? That is an answer. See how I am applying the subject and how I am getting my subject. You have to understand the thoughts behind that. Learning solution and going to the exam. One more is what? Designing the solution for the problem. That is called way of getting the jobs. Are you getting this? So coming to the point back, this type of thing, I just want to carry on and this part I will go for it. I'll go for it. Now I'm writing. Students, be careful. Here I will write case 1, I will write it. Case 1, I will write it. Case 2. Whether you will understand me this case 1 and case 2, I don't know, but I want to tell you that. Case 1 example, this is. Case 1 example I am going to say. This is called case 1. Whether you will follow me or not, I don't know, but you have to follow me. Now I am going to say, this is my data. I'll write it everything. Case 1 and case 2. And my students got this both the cases in my 10 years of this Python teaching. So this cases last 5 years onwards, I am carrying this. So this is case 1. Case 2, I will go shortly. This is an empty set, got it. On empty set, we got it what? Pop function we called it. We got which error? Key error. The case 1 says like this. Now see the answer. Next one I am going to say. S1 is equal to Donald Trump. Next is called what? Biden. So Biden. Next is called what? Kim. Next is called what? Rosam. Next is called what? Some names I am writing it like this. Print of what? S1. S1. S1 dot what? S1 dot what? Pop. What is the value removed? Come on. Any arbitrary element. నేను చెప్పిన వర్డ్ మీరు యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గా స్పెల్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. యు హావ్ టు స్పెల్ అవుట్ ద వర్డ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. Arbitrary. Arbitrary means any element. Arbitrary. Spell out. Element. మొత్తం కలిపి చెప్పండి మొద్దు బాబు. Arbitrary element. So S1 dot pop off. You already knowledgeable person you are. And you are becoming in my class like a child you are becoming. Arbitrary. Arbitrary. Element. Spell out the complete word. S1 dot pop off. It will remove which element? Now, now I am saying it will remove kine. It will remove kine. Which element that is? First element. First element. What is removed? Kine. Next I will execute. Which element is removed? Donald Trump. Donald Trump. Next element removed what? Kim. Next element removed what? Rosam. Next element removed what? Biden. Next element removed what? Key error. Key error. Key error. What I said, arbitrary element. Now you said arbitrary element. I said that first element. Confused. Confused? Okay. Confused. Okay. Confused. Be in the confusing state. I will tell you. 1.2 comma 2.3 comma 4.5 comma 5.6 and next is called what 6.7 like that. S2 dot pop off which element? Come on. 1.2 wrong answer. 1.2 good. 1.2 next 2.3 wrong answer. 2.3 okay next 4.5 wrong answer. Next 5.6 next 6.7 okay. I said wrong answer but you got your own answer. Who is correct? You or myself? Myself only correct answer. See, be careful. You are feeling sorry is wrong today. Don't think like that. 10 comma 1.2 comma 20 comma 3.4 comma some 4.5 comma some 56 comma 100 comma what you know like that. Let it be S3 dot what pop off. What is an answer? Come on. 1 point. Any? Why you changed all of a sudden? Huh? You said here first element, second element, like that you said. Come on. Which element? Huh? Arbitrary element. Ah, okay. Now I will change it. Now you are preparing your own Python theory that I am fearing. 100 comma 200 comma 300 comma 400 comma 500 comma 600 comma 700 comma 800. Hold on, hold on. No fun. Pop off. What is an answer? Huh? Wrong answer. I said wrong answer. Okay, next answer. Huh? See, girls will prepare new Python. It needs. Okay, what is an answer? See the answer. 100. Next. Come on. Next. So, look at that. Finally, I want to make it clear. Look at. Whenever the elements of set are given, whenever the elements of set are given, if they given like that, only settle. I'm telling the final point. Whenever the set elements are given, only like that. When they say S2 dot pop off, you have to tell that any arbitrary element will be removed. When they give you the order of display, S2, they will give you like this, print of S2. They are showing the what order they are displaying. When they give you the order of display, first element removed, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element in the order. Luckily, what you said is correct answer. Luckily, your answer is lucky answer. Are you following me? So, when they are giving the order of display, you have to say first element is removed. Now see students, when I am saying S1 is equal to, when they are giving 10 comma, 10 comma, something like RS comma, some 23 comma, some 45.67 comma, something like NL comma, 2 plus 3J, when they say like that, when they are asking, what happens? Double quotes comma, 2 plus 3J, you see, when they say S1 dot POP, you have to tell what elements? Arbitrary element, because no order is given, no order of display. You remove. Which element is removing? You don't know. You print that S1, you see. The RS is removed, na? That means when I display that S1, beginning, RS will come as a first element. See, RS will come as a first element. Now you remove S1 dot pop. Which element is removed? 23 will be removed. Are you following? And before 23, before I was popping, what if I display the data, which element will be the first one? RS. Did you understand this? So here two things. This is called what? Without order of display. Are you following this? This is called what? Without order of display. Order of display. Be careful. Here I did not display the order, just popping, popping, popping. So when the without displaying the order of display, here with order of display, I will say with order of display. Go to that, go to the same thing. You go to the same place, print S1 students, print S1. Now you see S1 dot pop. What is the answer? RS. Next again pop. What is the answer? 23. What is the answer? NL. What is the answer? 2 plus 3J. Answer is like that. Next, key error. This is called what? Order of display. Did you understand, students? So case 1. This is called case 2 example. Case 2 examples. Without telling also I can move. But these examples are coming in front of you. When the interviewer is expecting, they will see how practically you are sound. What is that? Order of display. With the order of display, I am writing. With the order of display. With the order of display. So you might be a good programmer. To show your good programming talent, you must be good in practical statements like this. So here I am going to say, here I am going to take up like this. So here with pop off, see the order of display and see the removal of display. I hope you are understanding me without confusion. Confused now? No. So I hope you got it. This is comes under what? Case 2. Now come on. What is the case 1? This function is used for removing what elements? Removing any arbitrary element. Any arbitrary element. Arbitrary means what? Any element, any random element from where non-empty set object, provided order of display not given. Order of display not given. This is a very, very important point. Got it up? Well, so next is called what? I will write it. This function used for removing, this function removes. I will write removes. Always. Which element? Good. First element. From where? Non-empty set object provided order of display given. I hope it is clear. Right. Next line, I will write it. When we call this function, on what? Empty set object. Then we get, yes, key error. I hope you are getting it. So it's a very, very important. Here empty set key error. Is coming. Are you understanding, students? See, students, this example 1, order of display. This is an order of display is available. This is called order of display. This is without order of display. I hope you are getting me. No more confusion. Online students. Did you understand, students? Now I'll move to the up to that simple work is done. Now here, one question I am asking, note. Regarding the del operator, I want to write it. Del operator. You tell me, can I remove the elements of set? 1 minute, ma. This is a set. You say print of S1. You say. S1, I got it. Now I want to remove this 23. Is it possible? No. Del of what? S1 of 1. Impossible. Because set never maintains what? So you cannot remove the elements of set based on index because set itself never maintains indexing now. Set object does not support item deletion. Hence it is what? Immutable. Next, del of what? S1 of what? 1 colon 4. Also called what? Error. Does not support what? Item deletion. Del of what I am writing? Del of what? S1. That is possible. So that is possible. Print of S1, you will get what? Error, name error, because it's completely removed. What I mean to say, del operator can't be used for removing for removing the elements of set by using what? Indexing and slicing. Indexing and slicing. We can use, this is a pointer number one. Point number one. Point number B. We can use del operator for removing complete object, complete set object, complete set object. I hope it is clear. Why we can't remove that? Because reason also because set object is immutable, immutable, immutable in one case, in one case, in one case. In another case, it is immutable only now. And moreover, it never maintains what? Indexing and slicing. And moreover, set never maintains, never maintains, never set never contains what? Indices. Indices means indexes, plural is what? Indices. That is the point. Is it clear? Well, I hope it is clear. Now I am going to enter into the another mechanism. What is that? Some different environment I am going to introduce. Copy function. Okay, this is also not normal only. So 6 is like this. Are you following? Are you boring or understanding? Interesting or boring? Okay, interesting. Okay. Online students, interesting or boring? If anybody feel boring now, you are almost a theoretical student. By learning theory, what is happening? 22 years old age only, that only will be getting. Your golden age, iron age, I don't know. What is silver age, I don't know. But this is a actual age to get the job. So let us go for what? Copy. Which copy? Shallow copy. Whenever there is a copy function is coming, 99% of the time it is a shallow copy. Sir, 1% where, sir? I will tell you. Very soon, I'll go to the frozen set. There I will tell you. Shall I go for that? Let's apply directly. Syntax. Tell me the syntax quickly. Set obj2 is equal to set obj1 dot copy of. Copy of. This already you know. This function is used for copying the content of one set object to another set object, another set object. There I will go for the example. Easy. This is already you have done multiple times. This is not a big deal. Right? Good. So the students who are interacting with me is really I'm appreciating. Daily one appreciation I will give from my side. I'll really put your efforts. Nice. B, continue the same thing throughout the entire course. Really, I'm appreciating the guys who are interacting with me. So this is the one. I'm saying this data. Keep it like this. Now you go for S1. Print of S1. ID of S1. Go to that. S2 is equal to S1 dot copy of S1 dot copy of which copy this is? Shallow copy. Shallow copy. Obviously, print that S2 students. S2 comma ID of S2. You got the same data. Same address is there or not? Same address or different address? So shallow copy will contain different addresses. S1 dot add of what you know, Python, S1 dot add of Python, S2 dot add of what? S2 dot add of Java, S2 dot add of Java. So both S1 and S2, you see the S1 data, you see S2 data, it is going to be different type of data is coming. No modifications are reflected, no reflections taken place. It's called what? Example of shallow copy. Deep copy, obviously, it will maintain. Deep copy will maintained by every object, every object. So coming to the point back, this is the data here. Deep copy, you need not to get a doubt about deep copy here. This is S1, print S1. You say S2 is equal to S1. Which copy this is? Printer S2 also, students. S2 also. Which address? So I need not to tell you about it. Simple, students. For your clarity purpose, I will post it this also. So this is here. Done. Deep copy here. S2 here. Now this is S1 here. Done, students. Well, this is about a function called what? Copy. Well, easy. Now I'm going to enter into the next area. What is the next function? Copy function is completed. Next I'm entering into the set related operations. Disjoint. No confusions. Come to the point. Come to the point. Suppose you are a citizen living in Hyderabad. You have a voter list in Hyderabad. And you are going to, you are native of AP. You have vote also in the AP also. Two places you are keeping a vote. So now they are going for what? Aadhaar card link they are going to give you. What they will see? How can I find the duplicate voters? Set of Aadhaar card numbers. Set of Aadhaar card numbers who are linked with my Telangana state. And set of Aadhaar card numbers linked with AP. I will apply what? Set of Telangana Aadhaar cards and set of AP Aadhaar cards. If they are totally different, I can say no duplicate voters in the two states. If anywhere else there is some common, I can find that they are called duplicate voters. In that place, I will apply which concept? Disjoint. Disjoint. I will apply to the small example. Disjoint. What is disjoint? I am explaining now. What is the joint? Common. Giant family. What is that? Common members. Common. That is called a joint. Your family members different, other family members different. Are they joint? Now, what they are? Disjoint. What is disjoint? No common elements at all. What is joint? There exists at least one common element. That is called what? Joint. Tell me, is disjoint? Syntax, I am going to write it. Syntax. Set obj1 dot is disjoint of what? Set obj2. I will take the example. There is no hurry at all. Chance is there to get confused. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. This is one set. S2 is equal to what? Something like, 15, 25, 35. S3 is equal to 10, 40, 50. 40, 50. Tell me, there is no common element between S1 and S2. S1 and S2 are called what? Disjoint sets. There is no common elements between S2 and S3 also. That are also called what? Disjoint sets. S1 and S3 contains one common element that are not disjoint. They are what? Joint. Now I am asking a question. Concept clear? Come to the application. S1 dot is disjoint. is disjoint of what? S2. Is disjoint means what? Boolean answer will come. Answer. Are the joint or disjoint? Are you listening the class? Yes. Yes means what? True. Are the joint or disjoint? Is disjoint? Yes. Yes means what? True. 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 Understood? Now, online students, respond. Now, S1 dot what? S3. S1 dot S3 also. Good. False. Why false? There is a common element. What is that? False. Now I will write S2 and S3. Come on. Why? Understood? Right. My master question will come. Everybody smashed. I will ask that question. Is it clear? Online students, is it clear? Now I will write this part. This is simple. Concept based question is very simple. But I want to prefer always asking this question. See, every end of the function, I am asking one special question. That special question, if you understand, normal things are very easy. So here is designed, no more discussion. If you have a doubt, raise your hands. I am here now. I'll clarify a doubt. 100% right is there to ask me the doubt. You paid the fees now. Get my service. Doubt is there? Raise. I'll clarify, ma. Don't hesitate. Don't discuss with your friend. Your friend is confusing, you are confusing. Confusing, nothing will come. Two unknown people will be moving like this. What will come? Nothing will come. So, like that. I am writing this function returns true provided there is no common elements. There is no as common elements in both set obj1 and set obj2. Clear? Well, similarly, like a small kid's notes, I will write this function returns what? False, provided there is at least one common element. There is at least one common element. There is at least one common element. There is at least one common element or elements. Common element or elements in set obj1 and set obj2. Okay now? Well, let me ask one medium question. One medium question I will ask. First, I will test it. Directly going to give you booster dose, it will give problem for you. So now I am going to say 10, 20, 30 dot is disjoint of 10, 20, 30. First of all, what is this? Set. What is this? Set. What these sets are containing? Common elements. What is disjoint? Oh, false. Why false? Common elements are there. Okay. Now see that 110, 120, 130. True. Comfortable? Okay. This is a medium question. It's a mock test it is. Now original test. Original test is opening now. Ready to understand? Okay. Now you will answer. No multiple choice questions I am giving. Set dot. Okay. Not all of a sudden high question I am asking. Is disjoint of. Okay, let it be directly. I will ask that question only. What is this set? Empty set. What is this? Empty set. Is disjoint. Silence is not the answer. Come on. True. Here what elements? No elements. Here what? No elements. No elements. No elements. No. No. Is a common or not? What is the answer? Come on. False. Raise the hands. False. Already online students tested. They already tested. Excitement. Okay. True. Raise the hands. Those who did not say anything, danger, guys. Here, no elements. No elements. No elements. Where is the common? No elements. No elements. Where is the common? No common elements. No common elements. No elements at all. Where is the question of common? What is the answer? Sir, you explained both of them, sir. Answer is what? True. No elements. Elements itself not there. There is no question of elements. Where is the question of common? True. Don't say, sir, here no, there no. No, no. So, one blunt student don't know anything. There is a blunt student who don't know anything. Both of them are friends only. Blunt and blunt are close friends, jiggery friends they are. In colleges also, one intelligent student, this blunt student don't make friendship. Blunt close friends. That is natural. Suppose you are intelligent. I don't know anything. I will not make a friendship with you. Why? Feelings. And intelligent student will not come and mix this person. Why? Intelligent person mixing with don't know person, what will happen? Same, this person will become. That's why. Don't know, don't know. What is the is designed? True. Here no, here no. No, no is nothing but nothing is common. So I hope you are understanding. So, are you following this? Come to the point of it. Next, I'm going to say one more. Come. Set dot. One more question. Serious. I'm writing 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Here, no elements. Here, what? Elements. Answer is true. No elements. Elements. No elements. Elements. Disjoint. Intelligent student. Not an intelligent student. Any common? No, that are disjoint only. True. These are the frequently asked questions. Without touching also I can say, okay, yesterday only I can say set is over. You also over that time. That's why students learn deep of the subject. You carry this to the friends and everybody. That is an important. So here, understand this. See, this in this place only I can say set is over. You already almost impressed here. But when I'm discussing this, you'll become a master in Python. That is what you need. You may not be reading, but in the class, I said 610 peak, 745 peak. Watch this glow is there. Why? That's all. Subject. Correct or not? Yes. Let's start with the subject. Did you understand these special points? Well, so is disjoint returns true in the case of no common elements. Returns false in the case of what? At least one common element. Okay, students? Right, good. Now I'm asking one question. Typical question I will ask you. Will you answer it? Okay. Set of Python, set of Python dot is disjoint, is disjoint, is disjoint, disjoint, disjoint of set of set of set of Python, set of Python. First false step in the Russia. Come on here. What is this? Capital Python. So I'm converting the set into what? I'm converting string into what? Set. No problem. Like list conversion, double conversion. Here also I'm converting what? Small Python. Small Python, capital Python. No. common elements. Answer is what? True. Understood this? Easy or difficult? Easy. So go to the place. Here it is also, I will mention it. This is most important stuff. Done, students. Now I'm going to enter into the designed function. What happens? So, okay, done. This is designed function is completed. Now I am going to enter into the another function. I am going to say is superset, and the next is what? Is subset. Both of them I will discuss at a time. No confusion. Relax, and I will go for one more function here. Is superset and subset I want to discuss in this case. So carefully follow. Now I'll start the subject. Is superset, is subset. Suppose you are there, I am there. Who is subset to whom? Who is superset to whom? Students are subset to teacher. Teacher is a superset to students. You know that? Okay. Go to the place. Now I am going to say S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. S2 is equal to 10, 15, and then 25, 25. S3 is equal to 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20. Like that. Be careful. S1 you observe, S2 you observe, S3 you observe. Now I am telling that all the elements of S3 are present in S1. So S3 is called a subset, S1 is called a superset. S1, S3 is a subset to whom? S1. S1 is a superset to whom? S3. S2 and S3, S2 and S1 you observe it. Even though S2 contains one element, but 15, 25 not there in S1. S1 is containing the 10 of S2, but S1 contain 20, 30, which is not there in where? S2. S1 and S2 are what? No superset, no subset. But they are not also what? Disjoint set. They are joint. Getting my point? So come on to the point. S1 dot is superset of S3. What is the answer? Come on. True. Why? All the elements of S3 contained in where? Or S1 contains all the elements of what? S3. Answer is true. Got it on? Well, next S1 dot superset of what? S2. S1 is not containing all the elements of S2. What is the answer? False. Easy. Next, S2 dot is a superset of S3. False. No more things. Are you following me? Well, I will go for writing this superset. Simple syntax. But be careful. I'll ask one master question. So set obj1 dot what is a superset of set obj2. Set obj2. Now I am writing this function is used for, this function is used for, I am writing here, this function is used for, or I can write this function returns what? True. Provided set obj1 contains all the elements of what? Set obj2. Set obj2. Or all the elements of set obj2 are present in where? Set obj1. I will write all the elements of set obj2 are present in set obj1. And you don't ask me, sir, set obj1 means S1 you need, right, sir? S2 you need, right? Don't take that type of old style. S1 I wrote, S2 I wrote. Don't ask me, sir, you said S1, you wrote S2. In place of S1, I can write any object. That is the meaning. Okay, now, last class, one student has eaten away my brain. Sir, S1 you said, no, sir. Only one must be there, no, sir. You're writing two, no, sir. It's syntax wrong, no, sir, he's saying. Set obj1 means what? One set obj. Another set obj. For writing purpose, I used that type of thing. Are you following? Right. This function, another one I will write. This function return false. Come on. False. Provided set obj does not set obj one not does not contain all the elements of set obj2. All elements of set obj2 I will write instead of all some of the elements. Some of the elements or all the elements, or I will write. It is better I will write what? Some of the elements. Some of the elements of set obj2 are not present in where? Set obj1. That is the perfect answer. Are you following? Example I will write it. Examples I will write it. So does not, yes, does not contain. Are you okay, students? Well, go to the example. Go to the example. Here I will carry. I will carry this. This is related to superset example. Subset example I will carry. Subset example I will carry. So next subset. Simple. What is the subset carry? Reverse only you try to understand. S1, S2, S3. Come on. Come on. S3 dot is a subset of S1. S1. What is the answer? True. True. S3 dot is a subset of S2. False. Are you following? S1 dot is a subset of S2. False. S1 dot is a subset of S3. True. True ఒకసారి false ఒకసారి రెండు చెప్తారు ఇట్లా. True నా false? False. So, are you following me? Yes. Go to the example here. I'll mention it. There is no doubt in that. Some students will get doubt. Doubt అంటే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది. So they will get confused with each disjoint, superset and subset. Such a small things you will get confused. How can you cope up, students? So come to the point. Simple sentences if you need to catch it. So here I will write it. Done. Now one question I will go for it. So I will write it. Just I will carry this syntax. I'll carry this syntax. Here I will put it. What is this now? Subset. What is this now? Subset of is a subset of, yeah, set obj2. This function returns true. Come on. Set obj1. Set obj1. I will write it. Why to make you to confuse? Provided all the elements of all the elements of set obj1 are present in set obj2. Set obj2. Next I will write it. This function returns false. False. When? Opposite. False. All the elements of set obj1 are not present in set obj2. That's all. Clarity is there? Yes, this is related to the questioning. Now I want to ask one beautiful question. Ready to face? Good. Ready to face. See how beautiful it is. Set of dot is superset of 10, 20, 30. Quickly. False or true now? Why? This is there in the place of set obj1. This is set obj2. Superset means this should contain all the elements of this or not. But it is no elements. It is called what? Yes. Now I will write it. This answer. This answer. See, like this I am writing. Like this I am writing here. Now I am writing 10, 20, 30. Come on. False or true? False. Good. False. Who said false? Option A true. Option A false. B true. Option A false. Raise hands. 1, 2. అంటే చిన్నగా అట్లా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లేదు. రైట్. ఓకే. 3 members, 4 members, 5 members. నెక్స్ట్ ఫాల్స్. ఓకే. అదర్స్ ట్రూ. ఓకే. వై ట్రూ? Because every empty set is a subset to the non-empty set. This person is an intelligent student. This person is a blunt student. Definitely, intelligent student is a superset for blunt student or not? What is the answer? True. True. Here having full of elements. Here no elements. Every empty set is a subset to the non-empty set. Mathematics. Or in other way, mathematics you forget. Only one student knows in our class mathematics. Okay. Cos 0, how much? Cos 0, 1. Really? Shall I show you? Okay. Anyhow, come to the point. What is the answer now? True. Now, next, final question. You will definitely answer wrong. I know that. So this one I will write it. This one I will write it. Definitely you will answer wrong. Okay. This is a preliminary question I am asking. This is not my original question. Mock test. Come on. 10, 20, 30 is a superset to 10, 20, 30. False or true now? False or true? False. Raise the hands. False. Good students. Okay. True. Raise the hands. Okay. Mark ఏం రాదు అసలు ఉత్తగట. Who is that? Don't know anything. Just we are coming to the class. He is a one intelligent student. He is a superset to himself. He himself feel that I know everything. I know everything. He himself will feel that superset. True or false? Come on. True. He himself feel that I know everything. Himself feel that I know everything. That is called true. Next, one more thing. Subset. Subset. Come on. Good. True. True. Now final. Be careful. Be careful. Now I am writing. Now I am writing. Be careful. Be careful. Now I am writing like this. Answer, please. You don't know anything. You feel that you don't know anything. He is feeling that he is a subset to somebody. True or false? Huh? Every empty subset is a subset to itself. Every empty subset is a subset to itself. It's a mathematics rule. True. Next, I will write one more thing. One more thing. Is what? Superset of. Come on. True. Good. Spellings I will correct it. What is the answer? True. These are important. These are important. These parts are important. Special points these are. Special points. Are you becoming intelligent? With this topic which I am explaining, are you able to think by yourself? Really, with this knowledge in the further you will become good programmer? Are you reading daily? అదొకటి అడగకూడదు సార్. That you don't ask, sir. చదువుకోండి అమ్మా. Read well. Read well. See the good world. And don't be like academics. Don't be like a student. Okay, students. So, did you expect that I will explain like that in your demos? Did you expect it? No, you did not expect. You thought like my college stars like that. Okay, no problem. In further, day by day, you have minute to minute, day by day, every day, Saturday, no, Sunday, no, every day, Same commitment. Growth in your subject. Read and come. See that how you will be. Okay. Now this is comes under what? Yes. So special points is done. Next is called what? Is superset also done. Next is called what? Union. I will go for it. Union. Now I'll go to the union. Today, tomorrow. Hmm? Tomorrow. Tomorrow is what? Do you have class on Sunday? What time? Oh, that is the one. 6:10 sharp. I like that word. 6:10 p.m. sharp. Because some student will ask 6:10 p.m. morning or evening, they will ask. Problem will come. Sharp. Sharp. 6:10. 6:10 p.m. I'll say good evening, students. I'll say tomorrow is a purely online. You must join with the online. Okay. Right. Thank you, students. All the best. Tomorrow class is at 6:10. Don't miss the class. Important.